Hi there, my name is Colin. I'm the co-founder and lead developer here at Highways. In this video, I'm going to talk you through our Thinkific integration with Intercom. And what I'm going to do is show you how you can enroll students and alter their course information all from within the Intercom inbox. To get started, you're going to need to come to our website, which is highways.io, and look for the Thinkific app. You'll find a page just like this. Or alternatively, you can go to the Intercom App Store, search for Thinkific, and you'll find our app listed here. I should note from the start here that all our apps come with a 14-day free trial, so if you want, you can hit pause in the video and follow along with me. There's no credit card required and no obligation, so you can try this app as we walk through the video here. So to get started, I'm going to come back to our website and click Start Now on the app, and this is going to guide me through the installation process for Intercom. The first thing I'm going to need to do is to authorize with my workspace, and I'm going to do that with my test workspace here, and click Authorize Access. The next piece of authorization I'll need to do is with Thinkific themselves. And to get that started, I'll need to enter my subdomain for Thinkific. This is the subdomain that Thinkific gave you when you first opened your account. So for example, it would be example.thinkific.com. Your subdomain is example. You'll find this both within your Intercom or within your Thinkific website, or you'll also find this if you just log into the Thinkific website. It's the bit before the thinkific.com in the URL. So I happen to know that my particular subdomain is WordPress-dev. I'm going to click connect. And this is going to kick off the authorization flow into Thinkific. So I'm going to do that now. And this will now guide me through it. And then it'll drop me back into my inbox here at Intercom. So this is my test instance. We can see two conversations open with Max Doe and Henry Ford. I'm going to choose Henry Ford here, and he's been chatting into us, and what he wants to do is to join our course. What we do is we link Thinkific to Intercom via the email address. So here on the right hand side, you can see that Henry's email address is qualified as henry@example.com. If that email address does not exist in your Thinkific student list, you'll be prompted to create a student, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and create a student for Henry. You can see his name has been pulled in along with his email. We're not going to send him a Thinkific welcome email. We're not going to set the password, but you can if you wish. So imagine you're chatting to the student. You can set their password initially for them, and then they could change it later on. I've set up a couple of custom fields here. So we're just going to say he's part of the Ford company. And he is 25 years of age. And these are fields I've set up in Thinkific. So they're custom fields that I have. And his country, he's going to be from Ireland, so IE. And go ahead and create the student. We can see the student's been successfully created. So Henry is now a student in our Thinkific school. If I click done, we can now see information about them. So he's currently not enrolled in any courses, but before we get there, let's just have a quick look at his profile. And this will pull in the information from Thinkific Live. So we can see his student ID, his name, the custom fields we filled out, along with the express sign-in link. This is a really nice link. Copy and paste that, send it into the chat, and the student will be able to sign in really, really quickly. It'll pre-fill their information for them. So coming back now, we're going to want to enroll Henry in a course. We also can do this for bundles, but I'm going to do courses first. If I click enroll in course, I'm going to choose course C. It's not going to have a free trial. The days to enrollment, we're going to enroll them immediately. So if you want to have a delay, for example, say you're pre-selling a course, you could say a week from now they get the enrollment, so you put in the number 7. And in terms of expiry, this is going to be a quick trial for Henry. We're going to give him 7 days access. But if you leave it blank, there'll be no expiry, or for example, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, whatever you wish. Let's go ahead and enroll Henry in that course. You can see the enrollment along with the enrollment ID. Click done. This should bring us back to the overview. We can see that Henry is now enrolled in course C along with the start date. If I click that particular course, we can see the enrollment ID, his name, his ID, the course, how much they've completed, whether expired, free trial, etc. Now, say for example that Henry wrote back to us and he wanted to have a little bit more time, we can extend the course enrollment. Or for example, he's tried the course, he doesn't really like it and you need to expire him. You can do this all from within Thinkific. Also below here, you also have the view on Thinkific, which will jump you directly into the Thinkific system and allow you to see that user and their information. So if I go ahead and click that, it should bring me directly into Thinkific. I'm on the user Henry himself. I can see the enrollments he has. What's really nice about this feature is if you're chatting to a student, you can jump directly into Thinkific. You don't need to swap tabs, search for emails, perhaps lose some things in context. It's all there, ready and waiting for you. Coming back to Intercom just really briefly, I'll just quickly show you the bundle enrollment. To do that, just click enroll in bundle. We'll choose the amazing bundle. It's not going to be a free trial. And once again, we can choose the days to enrollment or how long we want the enrollment to be. I'm just going to put in 366. That's just a full year plus a day. Click enroll in the bundle. And there we go. The student Henry has been enrolled in our bundle successfully, and we can see it all listed here. So that's a really quick overview of our Thinkific integration with Intercom. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm a Thinkific instructor myself. I've used it for over 3 years. I use this app every other day when I'm using Intercom. So I hope you find it as supercharged as I do. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or feel free to send me an email directly. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon.